Good morning. We are on day 20 and it's chilly. And we woke up cozy in our tents. We have 2 miles to hike. We're getting picked up and going into Great Barrington. So this is a rest day, which we're all looking forward to. This is Ice Gulch.
Oh, so it runs all the way down to the water source.
Goodbye, Red Eft. Are you the last one we'll see? I don't know. We had a short 2-mile walk to the road crossing where Karen and Neil picked us up and took us into town and had brought a wonderful picnic lunch. They fed us all kinds of great food. Also, they had brought us boxes that we had packed and sent via my parents. So we got lots of resupply food and just had a great time. Thank you, Karen and Neil. Jasper, that shirt is so nasty.
I washed it. It's so dirty.
Oh, it's just so dirty looking.
It.
I know.
Like,
I know.
look, there's dirt there, all around the pocket, all down the seams.
Oh my goodness.
You don't wear white shirts. But I've washed it.
Don't wear white shirts when you're through hiking.
I'm getting a blue one, so maybe
that's right. We'll get a new one soon.
Nasty.
Okay, here's our resupply that Karen and Neil brought us. These 2 boxes that my parents had dropped off at their house. Wow, this is amazing.
Wait, that is Mount. Oh, Bear Mountain.
You can see Bear Mountain,
Yeah, Bear.
Mount Race, Mount Everett.
Yeah.
And then you can see Glenbrook Shelter. Yeah, we're way.
Yeah. It's perfect weather hiking day and we're loving it. The rest of the week is supposed to be a little rainy, but today is perfect.
What, there's trees? Or...
Let's see. Now we can see the beaver dam. That's cool.
There's a newt underwater.
Don't touch them. They look like ash, but they're brown.
I would like to vote that we continue moving.
Okay, sorry. They go really fast. Here, don't move. We'll want to see them. You guys go. Honestly. Sorry, they go really fast.
They move underwater. I don't know if it's really fast.
I'm looking for them.
Yeah, I think sometimes you tend to hike.
Good morning, it's day 22.
Yes.
We had such a fun night last night at Shaker Campsite.
There were 2 girls and a boy that were hiking out and they gave us like Gatorades and
They were retired siblings who are finishing a section, and Sharon's husband brought all kinds of trail magic to a nearby road crossing.
Yes,
so they hiked it in.
Yes, that was absolutely
Snickers, sandwiches, Gatorades. There's also a big camp group doing their staff training.
Mm-hmm.
There are a lot of people.
And someone had a birthday in the camp group and they had like
no one had a birthday. They just brought the cake.
They had just hiked a cake and backpacked for 3 days with a cake.
and then we ate it.
And then gave us some cake. So
Yeah.
that was fun.
Today we're heading to Upper Goose Pond Cabin.
Yes, off we go.
So cute.
There's a red barn and that's our vet and that's where our cat is. So
No, the cat was only there for a few days.
yes, not right now.
All right, 100 yards off trail.
There's fresh eggs.
There's trail stand. There's a trash can. Y'all know how I love to get rid of trash.
Let's go. We get some fresh eggs. It's
Soda. Oh, wow. All right, it's 8:30 in the morning, but we found a trail stand. And so I got an ice cream sandwich.
It's never too early for some soda.
Doing the do.
Upper Goose Pond Cabin is right on the AT. We stayed there and you can use the canoes for free, which was so much fun. We had all afternoon to canoe.
Yeah, now pull it in.
No,
Don't get hurt. Hold on to your flip-flops.
Hold on to it.
you can take them off. It's not. That looks so fun. I can't wait to do that.
Wow. We're leaving Upper Goose Pond Cabin. It was a great experience. Pancakes this morning.
Yeah, canoeing in the pond last night was top notch.
Yeah.
It was a great sleeping. We were in the bunk room with like 14 people and no one snored.
So quiet
It was
and dark.
It was kind of raining.
And
This
now
place
we're
is awesome.
Yeah, it was great.
5 stars.
Okay, what was your favorite thing about Upper Goose Pond?
Well, there were canoes you could borrow, and there were pancakes, and both those were just amazing. I liked the pancakes and swimming.
Oh yes, swimming. Even Jasper jumped in.
Oh yeah, I'd have to say the canoes were amazing.
The canoes were amazing. All right, now we're back on the AT. Headed north.
Kick it.
That's a Honda! No! No! No, wait, it's the red car took the lead!
That's a Nissan. It's a Nissan.
What are y'all doing?
We're betting on the next car being a certain kind of brand of car.
It's a Toyota.
I get to slap you on the butt really hard. Okay. Oh, no. That's a Ford. Ha!
That's a Toyota! No!
It's a Toyota.
No! Let's go!
Let's go.
Here's our favorite. Oh,
He's so cute!
he's so cute. You shake its hand. Is it a friendly fir or a spiky spruce?
Pretty spiky.
Pretty spiky.
Oh, that's cool. I haven't heard that one before.
This tree we found, it's been chewed by a beaver.
That's crazy. All right, let's look for some more beavers.
And then you can see a beaver lodge over here.
Honda Pilot next. It's gonna be a Honda Pilot next.
We are in. We are at the Cookie Lady's house, and she said that we could stay in this airplane hangar.
Random.
And
It's dry.
it's very dry. It's kind of cold, but it is very awesome.
The Cookie Lady lives about 100 yards off the AT and allows hikers to stay in her yard. And it had been raining, and she actually let us stay in the big empty airplane hangar. And she feeds everyone cookies and lemonade.
Okay, we woke up this morning in the hangar. It was a cold night. And
We stayed at
well, oh yeah,
we stayed at the Cookie Lady.
the cookie lady. We stayed in an airplane hangar. And we woke up this morning and had breakfast in the hangar, and then walked out to her front porch and met Baked Potato. And
You hiked in 2021.
he did. He's the through hiker from last year, and he's doing trail magic this year. And we talked to him about slack packing us to Dalton. So he's got all our stuff. We're doing a 10-mile slack pack from where we camped last night into Dalton, where hopefully we'll have a late lunch. So we're hanging at K-Wood Shelter now. Heavy snacking.
We had planned on hiking past Dalton, but my leg was hurting too much, so we stopped at the house of Tom Levardi, who lives right on the Appalachian Trail and allows hikers to camp in his yard for free. Baked Potato brought us our gear, and there was a concert that night, so the boys walked to that, and we ended up staying in Tom's yard for 2 days, and he took great care of us.
All right, we just walked to the Dalton Stationery Factory for a concert. We've been following this mass walking tour. Hikers, they're hiking from town to town.
It's been pretty cool.
What was your take, B?
They had a little sing-along at the end.
Give us a taste.
It was country-ish.
Yeah?
It was country. And some was about hiking. And the walking tour people had met a trail magic guy named Baked Potato. Just like 2 hours before the concert, they're like, hey, want to sing in our concert? He's like, sure, because he played guitar.
Baked Potato was the guy who slacked us.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you have fun?
Yes, it was fun.
We're looking for dinner now. In the rain, we're sporting the packets. We're gonna see what we can find.
Tom drove us to the community center the next day so we could take showers. And then he drove us to the laundromat so we could do our laundry. I iced my leg and rested. We are so thankful for his hospitality. It was wonderful.
We stayed at Tom's house last night.
Tom Levardi.
He gives free camping to hikers in his backyard.
He's been doing the whole thing for 43 years, letting hikers stay in his backyard. The trail literally is on the sidewalk in front of his house.
Yeah, it's amazing. We went and took showers at the community center, and now we are at the laundromat.
After a breakfast of baked goods, hard-boiled eggs, and coffee.
Provided by Tom Levardi.
It's amazing.
What a guy.
It is very amazing.
Appalachian Trail, Maine to Georgia. These markers are in the sidewalk.
It is day 26.
Day 26, we're walking through the town of Dalton, Massachusetts. We are slack packing today. Tom Levardi is going to bring us our packs in Cheshire just to give my leg some rest, well, to make it easier. We are slack packing today, thanks to Tom, to give my leg a chance to rest a little bit more. It's not hurting too bad. We're just trying to decide, do we keep resting or do we move forward slowly? Just trying to decide what to do, what's best long term. But it's a great day. It's going to be hot, pretty buggy. But we're glad to be slack packing. All right, what'd you see?
Oh, hi. Oh, we saw a woodpecker nest. Well, it was actually a yellow-bellied sapsucker.
Oh,
Merlin told us so, but up in the tree.
cool.
Mom would fly off and come back and poke her head in and I guess give babies food or whatever. It was pretty cool.
Cool. Hike on. gosh. I want to see if the mom comes up. No, that's the dad. Oh.
So guys, you see the red house here on the hill and the red roof in the woods?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then the peak above it?
Sorry. Oh, yeah.
There's a peak above it far out, yeah?
Yeah.
I think we probably hiked like right there.
All right, here's the view from Cheshire Cobble, looking down on the little town of Cheshire and up to Mount Greylock, the highest point in Massachusetts. All right, we made it to Cheshire. Oh, ice cream shop. Let's find the campsite first. Aww.
Oh, yeah.
We ready? We ready to order? Ice cream.
Sandwich, Mountain Dew.
Milkshakes.
And my ice cream. The Father Tom campsite in Cheshire, Massachusetts just had its grand reopening the night before we were there. So there was a big tent and balloons, and the campsite has been around for a while. It used to be hosted at a church. Father Tom has since passed away, but he was a section hiker, and now the town has provided camping, loaner bicycles, a charging station. There's a river right there to play in, and it is a fabulous campsite. We also ran into a through hiker that we had met back in the Smokies named Spotter, who is also on YouTube, so we had found her, and that was fun. It's 8:30 on Saturday night.
We're in Cheshire, Massachusetts, and
There's a party going on.
it's a block away, and we don't know how long we can take this. So we're at the Father Tom campsite, and there's probably a dozen other through hikers here, and we're all like, how long can this go on?
It's way past our bedtime.